All right, here we are, the Jacksonville University outside patio, the Fine Arts, Visual Arts department. We are going to cut. We're going to show you how to set up this machine to cut on the Wazer water jet machine. We've done a lot of the basic stuff for you, created the file, which isn't done in WazerCam, an SVG or a DXF file. These are things that can be generated from in a lot of different ways, but we have that file here. I've already turned the machine on. We haven't run it in about a week, so we ran a couple fluid tests, maintenance tests. These are all things that are done inside Wazer here, and they're inside the Wazer handbook, so you can just follow along. I've already fastened my material to the bed here. This is the location that we're going to cut. I have not done the nozzle test yet, so what we're going to do is go step by step through how to get from here to cutting, and then we'll take a break and we'll show you the final product when it's cut, and then go from there. So first things first, you want to swing around on this side. We've inserted our SD card, which has my file in it. I want to then go to the screen here, select cut file, and click OK. All right, there's a number of different files. This is the SD card that Wazer gave me. I want to find my file name, which is acrylic ZR code. I'm going to click on that. And you just walk through what the machine asks you to do. You want to prepare a machine to cut this file. Yes. Lift nozzle, clear of the bed obstructions. I've already done that. I'm going to click OK. So it's going to reposition itself into the left corner. Okay. Wazer acrylic. It's telling me the thickness, telling me my cut time. I'm going to click OK. Fill abrasive hopper and empty used abrasive. So we've already done some of that, but I will show you. It's here. This is where I would bring over my abrasive on this side, and I would dump in, sprinkle in the abrasive through this mesh until it starts to mound up here, so that I know that I have a full tank. Okay, pop this off. Okay. Now, I want to be careful not to get anything inside of this tank. I've already cleaned, but I am dumping abrasive inside of this tank over this mesh to avoid any kind of clumps, any imperfections, things that I just don't want running through my machine, which is why they have set up this mesh. And I'm dumping them in here, sprinkling them in until I get some sort of mound, some sort of situation up at the top that lets me know that the tank is starting to get full, which you can see here that's starting to mound up. Okay, this should be done before every cut, so that you know you're always working with a full tank. Okay, I got a mound there and a mound there. For what I'm doing, I think that's going to operate just fine. If I haven't checked in a while, I want to check my used abrasive. I'm going to lift this up, and they would be inside of these tanks. We've only run one cut since we've emptied it last, so there's really not much for me to do there. Okay, once that's all said and done, I'm going to click OK. I want to confirm that my water supply is on, and we do know that it is on. I'm going to click OK. Fasten material to the bed. I've done that. Now set the nozzle height. Okay, I haven't done that yet. And this is what we do. We pull this cap from the top. We're going to drop this down with two hands. I'm going to hold the nozzle, and then I'm going to loosen this wheel, this tensioner, until this drops down and that the nozzle sits on this black cap. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tighten it, hand tight, and I should feel a little bit of friction, which I did, between the nozzle, the cap, and the material, and that lets me know that I'm at the right height. I'll put that back so I know where to find it next time. Did I set that nozzle height and jog it? Yes, I did. Those are our preps. That is all we need to do. From here, I'm going to select cut material. Now I could go to dry run, make sure that the machine is going to run in the locations that I have already planned ahead for, that the file has asked to do. But I feel pretty confident. There's nothing that I'm afraid that's in the way. So we're going to go ahead and click cut material. To start cutting, press start. I'm going to click OK. Are you sure you want to cancel? No, continue. Then I may have gone, oh, press start when I'm ready, which is this green button. And we're off. Okay, so as the material is piercing, as the Wazer is piercing the material, it is starting to cut through and then start moving around. This cut should take about 15 minutes, so we'll check back when we're all done and see how we did.